So I took a shower and ate 2 boiled eggs and drank my cup of coffee, and now it's time to drink a second cup of coffee. And I was uploading my Vlogmas video from yesterday, and I don't think that the footage is looking right. I mean, besides the fact that I'm filming this on an old ass iPhone and the quality is crap. It's like the files are kind of corrupted, so I think I'm gonna upload it anyway. We're gonna try and make this again one-handed. I think I'm gonna upload it anyway and then see what happens. Yeah, I can't get my coffee pot out. I use these reusable like coffee pot things. I've been thinking, I have this plastic one already, right? I've been thinking about getting, they make ones that are metal or like aluminum, and I've been thinking that might be better than having this plastic one, but then what do I do because I already have this plastic one? Like I just throw it away and then make waste anyway. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna try this white mocha stuff with this pumpkin spice coffee. I got this at freaking Walgreens. The Walgreens by my house closed. I was so sad about it. But I did get some Wet n Wild makeup on clearance because of that. But when I went to get the coffee flavor things, I saw some of this pumpkin spice stuff at the Home Goods / Marshalls, and it was way cheaper than what I paid for it at freaking Walgreens. It was like $7.99 at Walgreens. I don't know. Question of the day, do you shop at Home Goods or Marshalls or whatever for like food stuff? I know some people, I used to shop for makeup stuff there, and then I kind of found out that it might not be the best place to get like this kind of makeup like that, but I don't know. Did I say that I took a shower? Because I took a shower. I need to go open my doTERRA order. Because my root to tip hair serum is in there and I am almost out. I also ordered black spruce. It's gonna be my last LRP, which is their like loyalty subscription order for right now, because budgets, man, you know, budgets. So plus I got a bajillion essential oils anyway. Budgets. Let's see. Am I even in frame because I'm not paying attention? Ah, criminy. I overfilled my coffee cup. Okay, be back. I also wanted to share a little clip with you of the truffles that I made. My dog is drinking water in the background. So I made these. They were on this Silpat mat. I put them in the freezer. I left them overnight. Usually I just leave them for like 10 or 15 minutes. And I usually make 2 trays, but I was like really lazy last night. And how many are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There should be like 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I wonder if Zach ate one. I feel like there were 4 rows of 3. Oh, this has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. I was like, no, I know that there's 12. But yeah, so then I usually just put them in the freezer for like 15 minutes, but I left them overnight last night. And then this morning I just popped them off and stuck them in this freezer bag. And then we will stick them in the freezer. And they just go in the freezer. Also, Rebel ice cream. This is the best flavor of this stuff. It's the mint chip. They came out with like 6 more flavors, but I don't really like those. No, I haven't tried them. The like original 6 flavors, the Rebel or the mint chocolate chip is the only one that is the best. So I am drinking another cup of coffee. Yeah, this time I did make it with the pumpkin spice stuff and it tastes much better. So I think the shitty coffee that I'm using is just not what I want. So yeah, there's a leftover Jell-O packet from making pies. I make a lemon meringue pie and like a chocolate meringue type of pie for Thanksgiving, and I bought instant instead of cook and serve, so I have now instant lemon jello. See me, but I have the Roomba going and Marcus is playing on his little thing. We got these shelves. I will link our old, I have a living room tour. I'm pretty sure I have a living room tour on my channel. So I will link the old living room tour for you. But in our new living room, we have different bookshelves, and the old bookshelves are downstairs. So our living room is pretty much set up the same way the old living room was, but we have 4 bookshelves now instead of 2, and we have these ones with doors on them, and my whole goal is to kind of have, and these are secured to the wall, so they're not going to topple over onto a baby. Hi! But my goal is to have this section, an arc, kind of marked off with one of those big ass baby gates, so that he has a place to play and he's fine without Sweetie messing with him or whatever, just like a playpen area. What I hadn't considered though was that plugs and stuff are under these guys here, because you can reach under them. They're raised up on on 4 legs. Blech. So I might have to put a 2x4 kind of deal that he can't get. I don't really know what I'm gonna do for that yet. He is not mobile yet. So, but also maybe I can just put plug covers on these. I don't know, it's an extension cord strip. I don't know if you guys can see this. But maybe I can just put plug covers on it. I don't know. But so, and then he'll be able to, have his toys in here. Oh, I'm gonna put a dent in the wall. Have his toys in here and be able to get them and whatnot and put them away, etc. So I'm gonna move this out of the way. I have this big bin right here of toys that my friend Katie, her daughter, they brought toys for Marcus when they came to visit literally after he was born. So they have toys that they brought for him, and I'm going to put them in here. There's also some random stuff in here, this is a little sign I got at the Target dollar spot for Zach. It says Dad's Workshop, so I need to go put this on the door to the garage. He's also got, I don't know if these are going to be played with for babies, but they are Star Trek Next Generation. So who is this? A Romulan. I guess it's just a generic Romulan. Then we have Captain Jean-Luc Picard with a fencing. Oh, I was looking at the back. Okay, with a fencing sword. I don't know what that's called. He got these right after the baby was born. Or right before the baby was born? I don't remember. Fun fact, when I was younger, I used to think that God looked like Jean-Luc Picard. So I'm not going to put those in there, actually. And I think there's another one in here. Oh, yeah. It's that girl, Lieutenant Commander Deanna Troi. That psychic lady or whatever she was. And then my back massager is in here, too. And we've got a bunch of random cords as well. Uh-oh. We got a spit up baby over there. Oh, this is a plain Zach 3D printed. We can put this up here. Medical tape from when he has Billy blankets. This is another cord. This is something of mine. So we have this little plane. Oh, I guess you can pull him. I don't know. We have this little plane. Maybe I'll get baskets and stuff to put in here. The old baskets that we have don't fit. This is like a little shape dealio thing. A little baby remote. Some of these things. little rings to play with. I follow somebody on Instagram and her blog and her YouTube and stuff. I can't remember her name right now. Kaylee something, I don't remember, but she has this little like section in her house for her kid, and she changes the toys out of it so he's not ever bored. It's always something interesting there for him, so I may end up doing that. Hi, I know I see your pookie. I see the pookies. Uh-oh, I don't know what the Roomba's running into. And then we've got these little animals. But yeah, the whole goal is to have a little section for him where he can play. This little shape guy. These are like way, I don't know what the age ranges on these toys are, but obviously these are way in advance. And for some reason there is a craft knife in there. Okay. And a 4 GB SD card. And then this little dump trucky thing. Cool. And then I got these guys on Amazon. They're little, little things you can play with. They make noise, they're contrasting colors, stuff like that. So there's that in there. I don't know if it has an age range on it either. 0+. Okay, so you can be not alive yet and still play with it. And then the bottom of a mouse in here. Like I said, he is not mobile yet, so there's no real chance of him grabbing some stuff and wrapping around his neck or getting it in his mouth. So he really likes to put stuff in his mouth right now. So there is that. So that's one project quasi done, I think. Let's go get this spit up baby. So I'm down here with Marky Boy, and I'm eating low carb wraps and some chicken and some cheddar, and then Cheetos, which are not low carb, and then a Zevia. And I'm also watching Julian Solomita make pies. But this little nugget was bringing his legs up under him. He's getting very frustrated because he was off his pillow, but he's bringing his legs up under him. So he's going to start crawling way too soon, I think. And then we've got this little nugget who is out of focus but would like to eat my food. So I'm just attempting to put Marky Boy down for a nap, and I'm gonna blow out this candle. I'm so obsessed with like fall and winter candles that I just can't help it. Just put him down for a nap, attempting. And I'm going to go clean the downstairs bathroom now, because it's like the only bathroom that hasn't been cleaned yet. So let's do a clean with me. I was like obsessed with those videos, clean with me videos, while I was pregnant. Was I cleaning my house? Not really, but I was obsessed with those videos. So if you saw my Instagram story, this is my like goddess bathroom that I called it. So I am going to clean this. We just installed, or Zach's dad just installed this like pocket door. I'm not gonna mess with it because I don't know if it's really secure or anything yet, but yeah, so we're gonna clean this bathroom and I'm gonna see if I can do like a clean with me thing. Yeah. So witchy tip, we have evergreen trees in our backyard. So I'm going to use this on both our family altar, that's fake evergreen stuff, on our family altar. And then I'm also going to decorate my altar was decorated for Samhain, but now it's just a hodgepodge of stuff. And I can't find some of my Yule decorations, but these are going to be perfect. So yeah, I always use stuff from, the baby is sneezing, from around our house. The old place, I would use leaves that would fall during the fall time all the time. So now I have some evergreen. I think I'm going to put these in water, though. I didn't clip these. These fell from the tree. I just collected them. So I think I'm going to put these in water and then see how it goes. So I wanted to end today's Vlogmas with my washi project from yesterday. Yeah, I think it was yesterday. So this is all of the Christmas washi. It doesn't fit in this little tape dispenser thing that I have, but this is all my Christmas washi. This is all the washi tape that I was like, I don't know about. So it's in this basket. And then I ended up with, I think I had like 2 extra of these washi rings. So I have, it's not organized, but this is like a seasonal washi. And then I have patterned washi. I have 1 full of black and white washi tape. And then I have 2, whoops, these are caught. Ooh, 2.5 of floral washi and 1 little gold piece thing down at the bottom. And then this one is what I called novelty washi because it's got like all these different patterns and stuff on it. So I finished my washi project thing from yesterday and I'm just hanging them on these little things for right now. I don't think that's permanent because I don't know where the heck to put them. But this is going to go under the desk in my little rolly cart thing. And then these are the washi tapes that I plan to use more often. So that is the end of Vlogmas Day 2. We have our washi organized here. I'm going to put this basket back down under this desk. And yeah, I don't know. And I'm really excited about this Christmas washi. I really need to get back into using washi tape. But, so now I'm going to sit down and edit this video and then upload it for you guys. So see you tomorrow.